Okay, I'm back. We had just figured out the monthly payment, and the monthly payment came out to $1,289.02. Okay, so the next question is, with the down payment included, so with the down payment, how much did we pay for the home? Okay. With the down payment, how much did we pay for the home? Okay. Well, to start, we paid $1,289.02 per month. We have 12 months in a year, and we're paying for 30 years. So we multiply that out, and we get $464,047.67. That's a lot, right? But we have to now add on our $30,000 that we gave as a down payment to see how much the home really did cost. And that comes out to $494,047.67. That is how much we really pay for the home by the time the 30 years have gone by. Now that sounds like a lot of money, doesn't it? It sure is, considering the house was $300,000 and we already paid them $30,000, and now we paid a lot of interest. Well, how much did we pay? That would be our next question. How much did we pay in interest to the bank? How much interest, that means how much money in interest, was paid to the bank? How much interest was paid to the bank? Well, we've got this right here. We paid $1,289.02, a monthly payment for 12 months for 30 years, which came out to this. Okay, now this is after the loan, the actual loan. This is what we paid the bank back. So we're going to take that amount of money and we're going to subtract the amount of the loan. The amount of the loan was $270,000. Okay, so how much should we pay in interest to the bank? Let's see. $194,000, $47.67. That is a lot of money. Lot of money that went to the bank in interest. You could buy a condominium for that much, right? Or even a small house for that much. If you went to another state, you get a good sized house for that much. So banks are kind of greedy. Just wanted to let you know about that. Okay, we may ask ourselves then, well, is there a cheaper way of doing this? We've got different ways of doing this, but one way is, instead of getting a 30-year loan fixed, we'll get a 15-year loan fixed. Now, usually when you do, they give you a smaller interest rate. But for the sake of this lesson, we're going to use the same interest rate. Okay? So what we want to do is we want to know how much money, so here's going to be our actual question, how much money in interest, which is the amount of money we paid to the bank, would we save if we got a 15-year loan? Fixed, of course, instead of a 30. Okay, so I'll read that again while you're writing that down. How much money in interest would we save if we got a 15-year loan fixed instead of a 30-year fixed? Okay, so what we're going to do is the exact same question, but we're now going to change it. We're looking for the monthly payment. P is still going to be $270,000. R is going to be 0.04. N is going to be 12. So what changed? The T. The T is 15 years. Okay. All right, so we're going to go ahead, and this is how we would present it on a test. Fill out what we know, put a question mark what we don't know. Okay, so it's going to start off to the same, the amount on the loan, interest rate over 12, 1 minus 1 plus 0.04 over 12 to the negative 12 times 15. Okay. So now that we have negative 12 times 15, we want to figure that out. So we put that in our calculator. That comes out to be a negative 180. So there'll be 180 payments. Okay. So now we're going to we're going to figure out how much that we saved by getting 15-year loan. So our monthly payment, we have to find that out. This is the same as last time, 900. Now when we calculate this, we'll do this together. 0.04 divided by 12 equals, plus 1 equals, to the power of negative 180 equals, and then we minus our 1 in the calculator, ignore the negative sign, and write what we have, and it should be 0.4506404955. Okay. All right. Now let's finish that. And that ends up being 1,997.16. So our monthly payment is a little higher than the last one, but let's see how much money we save from it. Okay, so we're going to take that monthly payment, times that by 12 months a year, times that by 15 years, and our total this time is $359,488.33. From here we minus the 270, the amount of the loan, and we end up with interest that we paid of $89,000. Wow, what a big difference. $89,000 in interest. That's a lot better than the $194 from before. Okay, so how much did we save? Well, for the 30-year, we had 194,047.67. The 15-year fixed, we had 89,488.33. And so what we do is subtract those two to find the answer. It looks like I'm running out of room here, so I'm going to put it right here. Equals $104,000 we saved by getting a 15-year fixed instead of a 30-year fixed. Okay, I'm going to stop this one and we're going to have C.